In this step-by-step video tutorial, we are going to replace the Wi-Fi module. What do you need? A screwdriver, a spudger, a container to put the screws in, and a new Wi-Fi module. Make sure there is soft material under the laptop so you prevent scratches. The first step is to take out the screws. Now it's time to take the spudger. Put it between the bottom case and the hinge. Gently apply pressure. Do the same on the other side. You can carefully remove the bottom case now. Remove the tape and the screw. Carefully remove the module and disconnect the cables. Take the new Wi-Fi module and install it the same way as you removed the old one. Reconnect the cables. Place the bottom case back. Make sure that you position the bottom case properly. The final step is to put the screws back in place.